Hi, welcome to 21st Mentor. Today, we will discuss the potential consequences if United States default. This is an analysis from a hypothetical U.S. default, based on historical knowledge and economic principles. However, note that the United States has never defaulted on its debt in modern history. Nonetheless, the United States default could have severe ramifications for both domestic and international economies. Here are some potential consequences. Number 1. Global financial instability. The United States dollar is the world's primary reserve currency and the backbone of international trade. A default on the United States debt would erode confidence in the dollar, leading to significant volatility in global financial markets. This could trigger a cascading effect, causing a global financial crisis and damaging economies worldwide. Number 2. Rise in borrowing costs. The United States Treasury bonds are considered safe haven assets and are widely held by governments, central banks, and investors globally. A default would result in a loss of faith in the United States government debt, leading to a sharp increase in borrowing costs for the government. This, in turn, would raise borrowing costs for other entities, including businesses and consumers, both domestically and internationally. Number 3. Damage to credit ratings. The United States enjoys a AAA credit rating, which signifies a low-risk investment. A default would likely lead to a downgrade in the country's credit rating, making borrowing more expensive for U.S. government and private sector. It would also cast doubts on the creditworthiness of other nations, particularly those closely tied to the U.S. economy. Number 4. Reduced confidence and investment. The United States default would undermine confidence in the stability and reliability of her financial system. Investors may become hesitant to invest in the United States assets, causing a decrease in foreign direct investment, FDI. Additionally, businesses may postpone or cancel investment plans, leading to reduced economic growth and job creation. Number 5. Weaken the United States dollar. The United States dollar's status as the global reserve currency could be challenged in the event of a default. This would weaken the dollar's value relative to other currencies, potentially causing inflationary pressures and higher import costs for the United States. It could also diminish the dollar's dominance in international trade and finance, leading to a restructuring of the global economic order. Number 6. Political and geopolitical ramifications. The United States default would likely have significant political consequences, domestically, potentially leading to increased polarization and economic turmoil. It could also weaken the United States' influence globally, providing an opportunity for other nations to assert themselves economically and politically. It is important to reiterate that the above consequences are speculative and based on the assumption of the United States default. The U.S. government and policymakers typically take measures to prevent such a scenario and prioritize the repayment of their debts. Have a nice day. Please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.